Now, I was alleging that this argument, and I'm claiming, and I'm going to continue to claim, this is an invalid argument. It's a logically weak argument. There's not a good connection between those premises and the conclusion. But the way to show this is, and the way to test for validity, is to try to prove that this argument is invalid. Now, what is it that we're trying to do? And I want to say what you are trying to do is ask yourself the following question. Can you think of a possible situation where all the premises are true and the conclusion's false? Notice, we're not asking you, are the premises true and the conclusion is false? We're saying, can you think of a possible situation in which all the premises were true and the conclusion's false? And I think the answer to the question is yes, which is why it's not valid. We can certainly imagine, and when we talk about imagine, we talk about describing a situation without a contradiction, without contradicting ourselves, that everything was just like the world that we live in. That is, imagine all men, all males are mortal. Now, the women in the class shouldn't be so excited about that because all women are mortal also. And we'll imagine that Socrates is immortal, but in this world, Socrates was born a female, not a man. Maybe it put everybody's nose out of joint even more in ancient Greece as a result of his activities there, or her activities. So notice, it would be true in that case. We're imagining that all men are mortal, but Socrates is immortal. She is a woman, but certainly Socrates in that case is not a man. So what we've done is we've imagined, or we thought of, or we described a possible situation where the premises are true and the conclusion's false. So in this case, all the premises are true. This possible case, all the premises are true and the conclusion is false. Hence, the logic is bad here. That is, the argument or the inference is invalid, not valid.